Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to remove suggested on Messenger. So if you open the Messenger, now when you click on profile, you can see here there is no option. Even you can see there is account setting. When you go to account setting, you can see there is no option to remove suggested on Messenger. You can also go back. So simply what we need to do, just go on your mobile settings. Like simply I'm going to my cell phone mobile settings. So here we will find the app management. You can also type in the search bar your application setting. So here I have all the apps. So simply we will find the messenger. So simply here you can see their messenger. So after opening the messenger, you can see there are multiple options, but we will click on storage usage. So here when you click on clear data, your suggested will be removed from messenger. There is another way. Simply click on messenger, go to app info. Here you can also clear your data and remove the suggested on messenger.